I wasn't trying to do too much. I just wanted a brown that felt like me. I usually stick to darker braids. It's just easier. Anytime I try color, I feel like I have to match everything I wear to it. And I didn't want that this time. I just wanted something simple that still feels like me. So I mixed the color 33 with the color number 4 to get a mocha light brown. Not too red, not too dark. But I didn't know how it would look once it was braided. I kept everything pretty simple. Same exact process as my last small knotless install. I can't even lie. At first, it just looked like number 2. I wasn't even seeing the brown. I just wasn't seeing any difference yet. I dip the ends first before trimming my ends. I didn't want these braids to come past my waist, so I'm trimming them down. Now that it's dry, I'm going to go ahead and feather out my ends before braiding the ends up in 2 groups and re-dipping them to get a soft wave. Nothing too much, just a little movement. Okay, yeah, I see it. It's giving. She got a little mocha, a little chocolate in there. I actually like how it shows up more towards the ends. It's not doing too much, but it's definitely doing something. And I don't have to think about what I'm wearing with it, which I love.